Today we're gonna make this show-stopping appetizer, baked brie with fig. Baked brie with fig is a classic Hostess appetizer. So to get started on making that, we have 1 wheel of brie right here, your favorite fig jam, and a sheet of puff pastry dough. I preheated the oven to 375. So we have our pastry dough here. We're gonna unwrap our brie. Put that right in the center. And then we have fig jam. Put that on top. So easy. And now we're gonna wrap it. That's it. So we wrap that all up. We have parchment lined baking sheet and I have some melted butter. We're gonna brush this whole thing with butter. So it's gonna give it a nice golden brown color when we bake it. Transfer this right to the baking sheet, right here. And this is ready to go in the oven. We're gonna bake this for about 20-25 minutes. We need it nice golden brown. Look at that. I baked this baked brie for about 25 minutes, nice and golden brown. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna take this here. I have a wood cutting board that I'm gonna serve it. So I'm just gonna transfer that in the center. So that's how it's gonna go. And then for serving, I'm gonna do, of course, crackers, because that goes so well. I have a little fresh thyme to dress up the serving platter. And then I'm also gonna cut up some apple. So I have an apple here, core that. Oh my goodness, this baked brie smells so good. So right before serving, I'm gonna top it with some honey. Of course, this is optional, but this looks awesome. It's gonna add to the sweetness. And it presents well. Awesome. Look at that. This is ready. For this recipe and hundreds of others, visit my website at nikkikleckis.com. Let's dig in. Oh my, look at this. Oh, this looks insane. I mean, no diet today. Look at that. Oh my God, this is incredible. It's rich, it's sweet. So good.